To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by peeling back the labels at the base of your TomTom to reveal 2 screws. Remove the 2 screws using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Carefully open your TomTom as shown. Disconnect the ribbon cable and place the upper portion of your TomTom to the side. Remove the 6 screws securing the circuit board. Carefully lift the circuit board as shown. Disconnect the original battery. Remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your TomTom. Connect the new battery. Reseat the circuit board and replace the 6 screws. Reattach the ribbon cable as shown. Snap your TomTom shut. Replace the two screws at the base of your TomTom and smooth down the labels. Turn on your TomTom with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your TomTom should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.